Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove your windshield nozzle sprayer, that is. So we're going to be replacing these guys here with some new ones. It depends how old your truck is and depends what kind of weather you've been through. So this nozzle right here is sticking right up in there on the nozzle of the sprayer. Okay, it's just a little rubber tube. You're going to have to pull straight down. I shot a little WD-40, twisted it first, then grabbed it and pulled that down while I was actually holding up this one and then reaching around with my right arm pulling that down. First, I actually took off this one that's connected right over here on the passenger side, just so that that is out of the way. That clips right on the green one. Twist and pull straight off again for that one. And now this one is sitting down here like that. Now inside, I'm gonna try to get a shot of this here. Kind of hard to see there, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have a black clip. You push in both tabs on the black clip and then it comes straight up right here. Let me show you that black clip right here. You push it in with your two fingers like that. It's gonna be in this position here. You're gonna reach in, push in like that with obviously your right hand, pull out with your left hand, and there goes your old nozzle right there. That is now out. All right, so that's how you remove them. And then we just go ahead and put the new ones back in. Same way we did, drop it down the slot, push it down. You'll hear a click because obviously the tabs are pushing in. That is nice and secure now. Take your T-hose right here. Go ahead and push that all the way in as far as you can. And then lastly, I'm gonna do it with two hands. We're gonna take this tube and slip it all the way on there. Let me do that with two hands. Like that there, folks. Now the other side is gonna be obviously the same on the driver's side. As we come here to the driver's side, this one is just a right angle tube in there. Shoot your WD-40 up there if needs be. Pull that straight down, pinch it in just like the other one. Pull the driver's side out, pop the new one in, pop your right angle tube all the way back in, and you're back up and running with new windshield fluid squirters, washers, whatever you like to call them. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully it has helped you get back up and running. Smash that thumbs up button if it has. Check out the description box below for those new sprayers. Check out my other video about how to replace the windshield wiper arms and blades, and more 97 Ford videos like oil changes, etc. Subscribe to the channel. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.